to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I upload videos 3 times a week. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is unboxing the November Look Fantastic box. So I will tell you everything you need to know about the monthly subscription box, but if you want to see what's inside, then please keep watching. Those of you who don't know about Look Fantastic's beauty boxes, they are a monthly subscription service that deliver a beautiful box like this delivered to your door every month. Each box is worth over £50 and I get mine for £10, between £10 and £13 a month, which is absolutely brilliant for the amount of products you get inside. Some of the products are high-end, some of them are like drugstore makeup, so they are really, really lovely. Plus you get little testers as well that you've never even tried of. Plus there is products in here that you've never even used, tried, or even heard of inside these beauty boxes, so I absolutely love them. I will list everything you need to know about the beauty boxes in the description box below for you guys. The website is also full of like makeup, hair care, skin care, everything, makeup brushes, hair bands, you name it, it's all on there. I will leave the website and beauty boxes down in the description box below for you guys. I can't speak. Also the advent calendars. So before I show you the box, I just want to quickly mention that the advent calendar for Look Fantastic is still available. I will leave that in the description box below for you guys as well, so you guys can go and check that out. If you haven't already, or you are very interested in the Look Fantastic advent calendar, I will leave up in the little eye here of the Look Fantastic advent calendar for 2021. I have received and opened just 5 doors for you. They're not 5 doors in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're just 5 doors out in random, and I show you what products you can receive through your Look Fantastic advent calendar. So everything you need to know will be in the description box below for you guys, so go ahead and check them out. So let's get on to showing you what's inside this month's box. Every month you receive a box like this to your door with five or more beauty products worth over £50. They are absolutely stunning and beautiful. Oh, let's have a look. So every month you get a little booklet. This one's just a little card this month. It says all the colours are of the lights, and it's got a little exclusive code thing you can actually put on your app. It comes already wrapped in this beautiful tissue paper. Oh, just to let you go guys, I have already opened this and I've actually used one of the products before, or I've actually used it. So as you can see, there's beautiful products inside. So the first one is, I've already used this because I come home from work one day, my feet was absolutely pounding and they needed a good like little therapy. We have got the foot machine, but I wanted to put a face mask on, a foot mask on, sorry, I ain't got a clue what a face mask does to your feet, but I wanted to put a feet mask on, then some socks, because obviously when you put your feet in the little massager, you can't have bare feet basically, you have to wear socks. So I put on these beautiful feet sheet masks on my feet, then I had a pair of socks on, and then I put my feet inside the foot massager, which is incredible by the way guys. So if you have a foot massager and you have loads of foot sheets, I highly recommend, because not only does it make your feet feel nice and smooth, but it makes the mask get deeper into your feet, if that kind of makes any sense. It works into your feet and it's so beautiful. So this was the moisturising foot mask with lavender and oil. It comes with like a pair of socks things which you just put on your feet. I put a pair of socks on straight on top. I should have filmed it really for you guys so I can explain more, but I didn't think ahead. And then I put a pair of socks on, and then I put my feet in the foot massager, and oh my god, it works a treat. The next product in this beauty box is this. So this is a Molton Brown London Relaxing Ylang Ylang Bath and Shower Gel. Now this smells incredible. If you've never tried the Molton Brown shower gel, I highly recommend because they are absolutely incredible. There's one that we absolutely love, which is the rhubarb kind of smell. It smells absolutely insane. This one smells incredible, but I think this one's more like if you're having a bath before you go to bed and you just want a relaxation, then this is the stuff for you guys. I will bring it closer so you guys can check it out. Just to let you know, guys, that all these products are on the Look Fantastic website as well, so you can go and check them out for yourself. I absolutely love this stuff. Next product is this tiny little pot. This is the Priya Ageless Throat and Decollagen Cream, which I have absolutely no idea what it's for, because normally when you have your little leaflets, you can actually find out what all the products are used for, but for some reason this is just a card this month, so it don't really say anything about the products. Normally it comes like a little leaflet, so it describes of what the products are, what they're used for, but I think this is just like a little cream for like your throat, because it just says throat and decollating cream, so it might be a little throat cream. Let's wait and see for that. Then I have a Renite Cream Moisturising Vitamin Night Cream. So this comes in handy at night, because I don't know about you guys, but I like to put a little bit of moisturiser on at night just to give my skin that little bit of revitalising that it needs overnight, instead of putting a face mask on and going to wash it off, or even better, if you have a night mask, put that on just before you go to bed. But I always put on night moisturiser creams. Then last two products I have here to show you is a Balance Me BHA Exfoliating Concentrating Moisturiser. Now, I have so many of these Balance Me's moisturisers. They are absolutely incredible. They smell insane, by the way, guys. I've literally got so many. I think I've showed you guys in my... No, I haven't, not yet, because that was the video that was meant to go up last week. But I have a hair care and skincare video to go up for you guys, and I can actually show you how many actually Balance Me creams I actually have. But these are absolutely incredible and I love them. Then last but not least I have is the Diego Dalla Palma, which is a eyebrow pencil. This is the water resistant eyebrow pencil in the shade Angel Consultant in the shade 103. I think I might actually swatch this for you guys. Oh, it's a lovely dark brown for your brows. So guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Like I said at the beginning of the video, everything you need to know about Look Fantastic's beauty boxes will be in the description box below for you guys. Also their advent calendar as well. Go ahead and check them out. I will leave in a little live during this video of the advent calendar, just a little sneak peek of what you can receive if you're thinking about getting one yourself. I have the Glossybox advent calendar on its way, so I will be doing that. There is so many videos coming up your ways, guys, plus there is a load of video content for next year, and I cannot wait to show you guys. But in the meantime, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.